allergies? Would that be like...
Rejection.
Rejection is what I was thinking. So rejection of a physical
That's
experience.
a very generalized answer,
Yeah.
but that is the generalized foundation to most concept of allergic reaction, is the concept of rejection or the concept of not belonging in that sense, not fitting in, or perhaps also, in some cases, the idea of compartmentalization, because the idea of thinking of yourself as a collection of parts will cause the different parts that you have created yourself to be to operate at different frequencies, which can more easily, by being a collection of parts, become discordant with one another, causing also the effect you call the allergic reaction. Does that make sense to you?
Yes. So
because you're not functioning harmoniously as a single whole idea. So the more you fragment yourself, the more some of the fragments can get out of step.
Okay.
This out-of-step vibration can be experienced in a number of ways, but one of the most common among your species is what you call allergic reaction.
So to correct that would be basically conceive of yourself as more one large unit with many facets rather than many parts.
Yes, and of course, more than conceive of yourself, behave as though that is true.
And how would one do that?
The idea, of course, is to start simply in answering this question by having a picture of yourself and your behavior in any given situation, and then ask yourself, if I were really behaving in the way I am most excited to behave, if I were really being the person I am most excited to be, if I were really doing the thing that I would really be more excited about doing, would I be behaving differently than the way I'm behaving now? Would I be doing this situation at all? Would I be doing the situation differently? If there is a difference between the picture of how you behave now and how it is that your most excited self would behave, then that tells you exactly what to mimic.
And